AiXun DM21 Digital Microscope. Originate 2-in-1 design of electronic microscope plus digital multimeter. Accurate functions measurement. This operation video is divided into 4 parts, including the installation of DM21, usage of the probe, picture and video recording, interfaces switching and functions adjustment. Unbox DM21 Digital Microscope. The package includes a certificate card, a user manual, a lens cleaner, a special sharp dual probe, a HDMI line, a remote control to avoid screen shaking when operating, a digital microscope, a USB cable and a power cord, a charger, a dust cover, data bracket and a base. Installation of DM21 Digital Microscope. Firstly, fasten the bracket and the base by rotating down until the protruding end of the bracket align with the outer end of the base. Once aligned, screw the small black shaft below the bracket to secure the bracket and base. Then unscrew the 2 screws next to the front ring of the bracket. Put the end of the host with the lens into the ring. After the end of the lens is fastened in the ring, tighten the 2 screws to fix it. This is the effect after the installation is complete. Operation method of the probe. Insert the data cable into the 5V output interface on the back of the host first. Insert the other end of the data cable into the Type-C interface of the base to connect to the host. Insert the plug of the probe into the socket on the back of the base. Then plug the power cord into the Type-C interface on the back of the host. Connect with the provided charger. Plug in the power supply. Note, DM21 Digital Microscope needs to be used with the provided charger. Do not use a fast charger. There is also a rechargeable battery behind the host. Support wireless power on, open battery slot, convenient for users to replace the battery by themselves. Long press the power button to power on. Place the parts to be tested on the base. Now the picture is blurred and unclear. Adjust the focus by rotating the long black roller of the microscope until the picture is clear. Adjust the position of the 2 small lamps to align the components. Slide the thumb wheel behind the base to adjust the brightness of the lamps. Slide the light bar below the host to adjust the brightness of the screen. Slide the thumb wheel on the back of the base. Turn on the light and the data detection interface will pop up. Each of the red and black probe comes with a button. Long press any button to switch modes. There are modes of resistance, voltage, diode gear, and buzzer gear. Switch to diode to detect diode. Contact any metal part of the component with the red probe. Connect the point with black probe. Press any button of the 2 probes to record data. Double press the button to cancel the data. Take photo and record video. There are 5 operation buttons on the host. Press the Menu button to open the operation interface, which consists of 5 icons in the upper horizontal bar. Press the left and right buttons at the bottom of the screen to switch icons. The icons from left to right are Exit, Playback, Image, Setting, Marking. Press the OK button to select the icon. Click Setting to set language. Press the right button to switch to Language. Press OK to enter language setting. Select EN to switch to English interface. Move to Shortcut to switch between photo and video. Insert SD card to save photo and video data. Move to Playback icon at the top and press OK to take a photo. Switch to video to record a video. Pull the screen to adjust the screen angle. Rotate the black buttons on both sides of the bracket. To adjust the height of the microscope. The HDMI interface on the back of the host can be connected to an external display with an HDMI cable. Plug the HDMI cable to the HDMI interface of the host. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the display device. To connect to an external display. Users can also purchase video capture cards by themselves on the live broadcast software to do real-time live broadcast of the operation under the microscope. Interfaces switch and functions adjustment. Switch to image to set various parameters displayed on the screen. AE can be switched between on and lock. Image bright is adjustable according to demand. And WB, contrast, saturation, etc. All are adjustable according to user's own needs. Switch to setting to make corresponding settings, including switching photo and video. Select photo size to switch between 4M and 16M. Select video size to switch between 1080p30 and 720p60. Select LCD bright, users can adjust according to needs. Select auto off, you can choose off 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Select date time, Y represents the year, M for month, D for date, H for hour, M for minute, and S for second. Select default to restore default settings. Switch to version, we can see that the current version of DM21 is 1.2.24. Switch the icon above to marking. You can select cross CUR and set OFF, ruler, center. A red scale will be displayed on the screen if you set ruler. Select center and a red cross will be displayed in the center of the screen. Select line index, a maximum of 8 marking lines can be set. Select a marking line number. Switch to line show. Turn on the marking line, then a marking line will be displayed on the screen. Back to the displayed marking line number interface. Select off to turn off the marking line. This is the full operation guidance on DM21 digital microscope. Long press the power button to shut down.